warm welcome to all the viewers of Markets and Money Control. I am Mariam Faruqi and this is a segment where we get you all the latest happenings on the last street. Today, market started off the October series on a positive note and Nifty reclaimed its 9800 level. It looks like there's some festive cheer on the last street. Benchmark indices in the afternoon trade rallied. Why did the markets race ahead? All that and more you'll find out here. But first, a look at the headlines. In a tragic incident this morning in Mumbai, 22 people lost their lives and 37 people are injured. Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis has said that Indian Railways and government will do everything to rectify this problem and is taking this incident very seriously. In another news on railways, Piyush Goyal has said that Indian Railways is working with ISRO to devise safety mechanisms for better and safer travel. Indeed, travellers are in dire need of such mechanisms. Also viewers, if you need any more updates on the stampede, please log on to the website and please stay safe. Now let's move on to markets and talk to Money Control editor Santosh Nair and find out how the markets have fared today. Hi Santosh, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Mariam.
Very shocking incident and I am still, I don't understand what led to this, why did this stampede happen actually?
Well, indeed, needless loss of lives, and this is not an isolated case at all. If you see, in fact, many of the suburban railways, the foot-over railway bridges are almost kind of a death trap because they are unable to cope up with the increase in traffic over the years. So, this clearly is something that the railways need to address on a war footing. They have ignored the problem for so long, and this is what happens when you just try to push the problem under the carpet.
Well, Santosh, now talking about markets, what were the factors that helped the market keep a positive stance, and how did the markets perform today?
Well, the market now seems to be in a consolidation phase. You saw a steep fall last week and you saw the index fall all the way down to about 9,700 levels. Now, at this point in time, the bulls are a bit cautious. They are not willing to take up long positions in a big way unless they see the index climbing above 9,850. And the bears are trying to play it safe just ahead of the credit policy. It's widely expected that the RBI will not reduce interest rates, but still the bears don't want to be taking a chance just in case there's a surprise 25 basis point cut. Already the economy is going through a very lean phase and there is talk of a fiscal stimulus, so probably even a monetary stimulus cannot be ruled out, though inflation remains quite a big problem. Also, you have the earnings season coming up. Again, no major fireworks expected there. The first quarter earnings were quite a washout and expectations are not too high from the second quarter earnings either. So, Mariam, this is a problem. The bulls don't have any major positive triggers, but at the same time, the liquidity flows have been pretty strong, and while foreign funds have been pulling out money, you've seen domestic funds invest quite aggressively. So that's why bears don't want to take a chance either. They too are playing it quite safe. Global markets today, fairly not much action out there. Asian indices, Asian markets closed on a mixed note, and most European markets are trading slightly higher at this point.
Well, Santosh, for our viewers, a quick check on gainers and losers.
So mid caps did fairly well today. You saw some bit of action in auto and power stocks. Now, auto companies' September sales are expected to be quite decent. Bajaj Auto was among the big gainers in the Nifty, rising about 2 percentage points. Bharti Airtel also did well. The stock rose about 2%. Bharti and Idea, there's stock that Bharti and Idea may challenge the TRAI's decision to cut IUC charges. Also, other big gainers today included stocks like Jaiprakash Power, Kalpataru Power and GVK Power, and among other notable losers of the day, most of the big names were from the FMCG and IT segments. Defensive stocks had been doing well over the last few days when the market was falling, but now that the market has stabilized, investors seem to be shifting out of defensives into the so-called growth stocks.
Thank you, Santosh. That's all for now. But for more cues, views and analysis, log on to moneycontrol.com.